Hey boo boo kitties. Hey boo hey. What's good, y'all? It's the girl, the guy's name, Five Forehead Gang. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit flexibly all on your iPhone 8. All on your iPhone 8. So let's get right into this video. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking, y'all, because I know y'all just want to chill and vibe out and all that. But I figured let me just record while you guys watch me package up in order. So as you can see, your girl is a meticulous crackhead. Cause I'm oh wipe me down, 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 cause I be wiping down everything. When I first got these batch of binders, it was just getting to me because it was like little, very small specks of like cotton, and of course this is going to happen inevitably with this type of material. But I was just like, baby girl, I need it to be so fresh and so clean. So then of course, as I wiped it down, it began to dry and you could see the wet spots. So I'm like, okay, let me get my little cloth that I use down to wipe down my little products and try to wipe it away. But y'all, I did this for like a whole 30-40 minutes. So yeah, when you get your order, like I said, because of the material, of course it's gonna pick up, it picks up specks easily, whether that be a piece of cotton or things of that nature. So I just really wanted to just kind of make sure that it was wiped down regardless. But that's why you kind of see me wiping it down like a crackhead, because I was just like, it's that one little speck of like a cotton thread right there, and then I'll see another one like, hold on. So yeah, like I said, meticulous crackhead, very detail oriented when it comes to my orders. Also, you'll notice that during the video I kind of poke my gloves because I didn't want any of the stickers I didn't want the adhesive on the back of the sticker to stick to the gloves and then the gloves tear off. So that's why I just showed you guys, like, look, I washed my hands off camera, sanitized my hands as well, and also sanitized my station. Once again, you guys kind of see me like, girl, is that another little string of cotton? So yeah, at least y'all know this is how y'all binders come. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo hey, long time no say. But yes, so I'm just gonna zip it up and just watch you guys. Wow, y'all know lately the way I've been editing, when I first started my YouTube channel, girl, you just said you was about to let us chill. I know, sis, but I'm talking to you on the phone right now. So, and I changed my mind. I'm not gonna hang up yet. Hold on. So when I first started editing, I was so focused on editing, like making sure it does this transition, do this, ooh, make sure it does this, and all this other stuff. I noticed when I just really got into the routine of, sorry y'all, I'm trying to write something down. When I really got into the routine of just uploading, I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna get the uploads out and everything. So I say that to say that before, back in the day when I first started my channel, I would have edited out certain stuff of this voiceover, like, no, I'm not gonna say this, or like, not necessarily I'm not gonna say this, but say if I mess up where it's not perfect, I'll go back and I'll take that clip out. But now I'm just like, girl, anything that I mess up with on these voiceovers, I'm just gonna leave it in here because it's more relatable. You know what I'm saying? And as an individual whose strongest skill is being so interpersonal by nature, darling, I was like, you know what? The way that I interact with my peoples and all human beings as my crazy old self, y'all gonna see it, my boo boo kitties. I'm not gonna edit it out. You feel me? So yeah, so now I'm gonna let y'all just enjoy, sit back and watch. And thank you so much for everyone who has ordered my little Baddie on a budget Schmoney binder. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all so much. And as I'm uploading this video tonight, I have to make some more orders. So I'm going to make sure that I record that so that I can show you guys multiple packaging and orders and stuff like that. And I'll also do a vlog eventually when I do go to the post office. I just go to random ones. I'm never going to one consistent post office. But yeah, so y'all, there's a pimple on my chin. Girl. Okay, so this voiceover got nothing to do with what is going on in the video, but baby girl, we on the phone right now watching. Let me see, girl, if you don't pick up that you and put it on. This is the part that I was talking about, y'all, and I promise I'm gonna go dead ass. I'm gonna go so y'all can just vibe out. But we're on the phone right now, so hold on. Look, this is what I was talking about. You see how I just kind of was like, you know what, I need to have my thumb and my pointer finger out like this, my index finger. Okay, boom, bada bop, boom, bow. Oh, all right, I'm out. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much again. If you are interested in ordering so that you can budget your funds, your cash funds, because you know how we do with these cards, baby girl. Swipe, transfer from my savings to checkings, and repeat. So now you got your little cash on the side, you know what I'm saying? So you can stash a little bit on the side, you know what I'm saying? And of course, use the stickers that it comes with to customize your envelopes, your zip cash envelopes. So yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all boo kitties a little later. Hello? Hey, boo kitty. Hey, boo, hey. Yeah, girl. I'm just popping out these little holes. You know what I'm saying? I was on the other line with Beyonce, so. She's talking about she want to get me a whole new garden for my mansion. Like, okay, sis, just make sure you keep your word. All right. I'm about to let y'all just watch it. Okay. All right, boo kitty. Hold on. Let me. Hold on. I'm about to put y'all I was gonna push it on three-way, but Beyonce gonna blow minds while her singing right now because she's trying to show me her next album, and I'm trying to tell her I already know it's gonna be okay. So you're doing too much, but you know she gotta be the star or whatever the case may be. So I'm also going on the other line with Beyonce, and I'ma holla at y'all boo kitties. And also, this is what I wanted to say when I came over on the other line, baby girl. Make sure if you are enjoying this content, subscribe to your sis channel if you haven't. Show some love. I was trying to do something different, y'all, because I seen in this Facebook post where they said if you put your subscriber count on hidden where it's not visible, that it's a little hidden strategy behind there I heard where it kind of grows, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me experiment with this. Let me experiment with this. The way I took it was kind of like, okay, so this is like mad random, but this is the only thing I could think of. When I used to be a server, we used to get a write-up if we put the toilet tissue where the paper rolls out under opposed to over, because scientifically they're like people tend to pull more tissue and utilize more tissue excessively, more than what they need. So we always had to do it over. So that's kind of like, I know that's a completely different concept, but that's just the that's what I took from it. Like, okay, when people see your subscriber count opposed to seeing just a subscriber button, if they just see the subscriber button, they're more opted to subscribe. That's what I read. So I was just like, let me do a little experiment, you know what I'm saying? Because you know your girl ain't scared of showing my subscriber count, you know what I'm saying? You know your girl ain't scared of that. Even when I had 50 subscribers, I was dumb proud of my 50 subscribers, and I'm dumb proud of every single subscriber that I get. But I'm just experimenting with it, FYI, if y'all noticed that. So make sure that you like this video, comment down below. And yeah, let me get on the other line because Beyonce done hung up and trying to call me again. Like, sis, I'm talking to my boo kitties. My boo kitties come first all the time, 24/7, 24/9, 365. You talking about? Oh, here she go, meticulous crackhead. Cause I'm wipe me down. And if I'm OD blowing y'all's wiping down, comment down below and say, boo boo kitty, you're dead blowing mines. I'm like, yo, I know my customers probably gonna get their package like, girl, it smells like Lysol, Fabuloso wipes, baby wipes with cucumber and aloe. Yes, sis, okay? Because I had to wipe it down because those little specks was blowing my eyes. But I was like, you know what? This is good. It's gonna get, girl. Your eyes is playing tricks on you. So I just put the notebook in the back, button it on up. And I love these pens because they all have little positive notes on it, so that anytime you're feeling frustrated or feel like you're not reaching your goals quick enough, your budgeting goals, once you go back to pen and paper and write it down, these little pens just kind of remind you and give you a little positive message. So in this order in particular was for my amazing sister in business, Michelle Watson. If you have not subscribed or checked out her amazing channel with all of her videos helping you how to edit, helping you how to brand your YouTube as a YouTube strategist, make sure that you check out Michelle's channel. Her channel is Michelle Watson Video. So go on over there, pause the video, and click Michelle and type in Michelle. Matter of fact, pause the video, go down below in the comment section and click that link to subscribe to my sis channel. My sister in business. Ew. But yes, this is pretty much how it looks. Boom, boom, boom. And my vendor, oh my God, when I say this, she was so amazing. She gave me these free boxes to ship out to my boo-boo kitties. And she gave it to me for free. I was like, what are these white boxes? And I was like, oh my gosh, she didn't have to. She literally sent us it for free. And I'm like, oh my gosh, first impressions are everything. And sis, you got me for life. Okay, as long as I got these budget binders, you got me for life, sis. But she gave me these little free boxes, and that's what I'm using to package up She was like, here sis, here you go. And I didn't even know that it was inside the box until I opened up the box. And I was like, girl, you did this for me. I appreciate you. So yes, that's what happened. And this is what's going on right now. All right, y'all, I'm about to go back on the other line with Beyonce because she get me tight. And once again, this order was for my bomb business sister, Michelle Watson Video. And she always happens to be the first customer whenever I launch a new product. And she doesn't even understand how appreciative I am of her. And I just want to support my sis and reciprocate the love because it's so genuine. But I decided to add a headband as a part of her order, although she only ordered the Schmoney binder, because she was my first customer to order my headbands, and she ordered 2, and I'm so grateful till this day. So I just wanted to surprise her and add a headband to her order as a thank you so much. So yeah, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and like I said, pause this video right now. Make sure that you subscribe to my sis channel down below, okay? And here she is writing down her things. And with this particular order, actually, I had an issue with the post office, so she got her stickers later. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. Love you, booba kitties.